name's Chandler. I'm 23, and I trained about 20 years of my life dedicated to this.
What up? I'm Deagan Fonts. Another easy day on the road. Don't even know who my opponent is. Who's my opponent?
Chandler.
I don't care. He's a nobody. He doesn't know who I am. Another easy dub. See it in the books.
All right, we got Deagan at the starting gate here. This is gonna be a 5-lap time trial since we only have one 110 today. So 5-lap motocross. We've got a table and a step down over there. Are you ready, bro? You gonna win?
Blowing him out by at least like 15 seconds.
Hey, predict. How many seconds we beating him by?
15.
All right.
Guarantee he goes down.
You think?
I'm pretty sure he's gonna go down in that corner.
All right, well. Okay. All right, ready? Start it up. On go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Pigeonhole, I'm a night owl, it's a different mode. I'ma have to make a pan of 6 on a pinky toe. Heard you with a shooting guard, just let it know. I'ma have you courtside, not the middle row. All good love in a minute though. I can't stress about them, cause I'm a timid soul. Plus I'm cooking up that bitch on the kitchen stove. Pots.
All right, Deagan ran a 2-minute and 10-second lap for 5 laps. You guys think Chandler can go faster?
Absolutely.
Give Chandler the helmet.
All right, Chandler, we ready? What's your time? What are your prediction? You think you're gonna beat me?
220.
220. Okay. So you don't think you're gonna win? No. You're supposed to think you're gonna win.
Yeah, man.
All right, start your engines. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Before I even know, don't tell me that you model if you ain't been in vogue. Gotta throw a party for my day ones. They ain't in the studio, but they'll lay some. Rest in peace to Drama King. We was straight stunned. Y'all don't like the way I talk. Say something. Gotta throw a party for my day ones.
223 is it? Yeah.
Bro, I know, that was a good one. Hey, good job, Chandler.
All right, we're down here riding. I can't really ride. I'm out on the injured list. I got a broken finger. So we got Deagan and Chandler out here. Oh yeah, Chandler. Look at that little enduro boy. Oh yeah, Deagan. Oh.
One eternity later.
Hard enduro, Chandler.
Hi. What are you doing? Nice. I was just hanging out. Oh, I just wanted to tell you hi. Are you down to hang out? Yeah. 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 Can you right now? Oh. What about this weekend? Oh, I'll let you go. Bye. Love you.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Pretty good. What are you doing? Oh, fire. Wanna go have dinner? McDonald's?
Right now?
Yes.
I can't.
Why?
Because she's asleep and it's a little.
Let's go tomorrow.
Okay.
Turn my headphone down a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'll pick you up.
yeah.
Bye.
Yeah. You walk. Yeah. How much money you got? How much money you got? How much money you got? How much money?